Hey guys, in order to install one of these Kryptonite Kryptolocks, this Kryptonite mini-7 I think, and it has this mounting bracket, and you can use this fixation to fix it. So for example, on this bike we could put it like here under the center piece. If you look at the instructions, it might look a bit complex, but all you actually need to do is just wrap this around the bar. Yeah, something like this, and then push this through like this. And once you are at this stage, you have a small screw here, and that screws on top of here, and there's a place for an Allen key down here. So just put it in place and then tighten it with the Allen key. So just tighten until you don't have a gap in here anymore. Now we can see it's quite snug on both sides. And now with the mounting bracket in place, we can drop this in here. And that's how you install the lock on the bike. And to get it off, just hold down here and then lift it out. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.